Today I'm going to be reviewing in my pajamas, so stand by for another Poppy Room toy review. So these are the antennas. Yeah, they have like these little balls of black, but they have a little holder for your hands to hold on so you don't fall off. It does have black spots. So do you see this hole here? It's not meant to be there. I kind of bit it to make, that's how I made the holes in it. Oh no, that's from the cats. No, it was from me, yeah. So it has wheels to roll about, like. I thought you were talking about antenna mode. That's the harder one. Actually, do you want to do running mode in this? To park, you need to go into the object, or like a chair, to park your light. There. That's how you do park mode. That's cool, turning around and around. Subscribe to Poppy Room's toy reviews. Here's the reporter. Here's the supporter, the mystery man.
I am the mystery man, Poppy Room toy reviews supporter. At the end of their last video, I will reveal myself. But for now, so long.
Say goodbye to me and my friends.